Hello and welcome back to the official Cricket Carts YouTube. I'm Noah, and today we'll be removing the shroud from an SX3. If you need to do maintenance, or if the front shroud is damaged, like here, here's what you'll need. A short and long Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket or wrench. Using the 10mm socket or wrench, and the Phillips head, remove the two screws holding on the metal brackets on either side of the cart. You will also find two more screws underneath the bracket. Undo these with the Phillips head. Using either the short or angled screwdriver, undo the two screws located above the tires under the shroud. Use your fingers to hold onto the nut on the opposite side of the screw. Unscrew and remove the steering wheel. This will allow you access to the four screws located along the top of the dashboard. Using the Phillips head, take out each of these screws. Now the shroud should be loose, but you'll have to remove the front bumper here. Undo the four screws underneath. Using any cutting tool you have on hand, sever the zip ties holding the wiring in place. Gently lift the shroud up and disconnect the four cables connecting to the headlights. After this, the shroud can be completely removed. To learn more, or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, check us out at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.